Wow, that was so much fun of hanging out with my girlfriend. And now I am walking home. And wait, what is that sound? And I wonder, where is it coming from? Oh, it's just some people are hyped and I don't know what they are hyping about. I am going to check it out. Hi, I would like to purchase a fidget spinner, please. Sure, that's about $5. Okay, here you go. And thank you. You're welcome and have a good day, little girl. Hi, I would like to purchase a fidget spinner. Sure, it's about $5. And the fidget spinner is not cursed at all. Okay, here is $5. And thanks for the fidget spinner. You're welcome and have a good day. And have a good day to you too. Bye-bye.
Yes, I sold all of my cursed fidget spinners now. And they have no idea the fidget spinners are cursed. Ma ha 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 ha. Ma ha 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 ha. Ma ha 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 ha.
Fan! I got something cool to show you what I have in my hand. Jake, is that a fidget spinner you have in your hand? Yes, it is. And why did you ask? I asked because that fidget spinner is cursed. Because I heard on the local news today. Dude, I don't believe you at all. Because when the witch sold the fidget spinner to me, she said it's not cursed, okay? But Jake, she's trying to get everybody cursed. Dude, I still don't believe you, okay? I still don't. Dude, I have a recording of the news from today. Okay, fan. Fine, we will watch it while I play with my fidget spinner. Dude, please don't play with it. Please, can I play with it? Please. Fine, you can play with the fidget spinner, but have fun getting cursed anyway. Hello, welcome back to the land of Ooh. News today. I got a news story to tell you today. Is about the witch is selling cursed fidget spinners to a lot of people everywhere in the land of Ooh. People have no idea the fidget spinners are a curse when they buy the fidget spinners from the witch. The cursed fidget spinners are causing a lot of people not to eat and sleep. Some reports say it might be a medical or a physical problem, and I think that's not the problem in this case. It's just a curse the witch did put on the people who bought the fidget spinners from her. That's the news for right now, and I will be right back after the break. Oh no, Jake, this is not good because the news said a lot of people have fidget spinners has been purchased from the witch, and the fidget spinners are cursed. Also, the news said a lot of people can't eat or sleep, and some reports say it might be a medical or a psychological problem, but the news said it's not true. Dude, you are right. All along, I cannot even sleep or eat at all. Okay, dude, we need to find the witch of who cursed you and the other people. Okay, Finn, let's go and find this witch so we can break the curse. Okay, Jake, let's go. We don't have a lot of time, okay? Okay, Finn. Jake, it has been a long day, and we cannot find the witch anywhere, dude. Yeah, I know, Finn, I know. And wait a minute, Jake. Is that the witch you were talking about? Yes, Finn, that's her. Okay, Jake, before we go in, we need a plan. Okay, dude, what's the plan? My plan is to beat up the witch till I convince her to break the curse off you, okay? That sounds like a plan, dude. Alright, let's go and defeat this witch.
Okay, Jake. Now we are inside of Ice King's castle. Okay, Finn. And what is the plan again? Okay, Jake. The plan was to beat up the witch so I can try to convince her beat her up if I see her, okay? Okay, dude. That sounds like a plan. Jake, here she is right now. I am going to beat her up right now, okay? Okay, dude. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Wait a minute! The Ice King? Yes, Finn, that's me. Ice King, can you please take off your mask? Sure, Finn. Ice King, why did you dress up as a witch? And my friend Jake has been cursed because of you. Finn, I am sorry for putting a curse on your brother. I just wanted to sell the cursed fidget spinners for fun. Ice King, that's not right to sell cursed fidget spinners. So you have to come with me to the candy dungeon, Ice King, because you don't have a choice. You are coming with me, come on. Fine, Finn, I am coming. Come on. Ice King, this is what you get for selling cursed fidget spinners to a lot of people, and including Jake. But Finn, I am very sorry for putting a curse on your brother Jake and the other people who got cursed. I promise I won't do it again, okay? I promise, Finn. Ice King, your apology is not going to cut it, because you always do bad things to us and lots of people. And can you lift the curse off Jake now, please? And the other people as well. Fine, Finn. I will take the curse off of your brother Jake. And the other people who has been cursed as well. Woohoo! The cursed fidget spinner is gone! Woohoo! Thank you, Ice King, for lifting the curse off me. And the other people who bought the cursed fidget spinner off you. Thank you so much. Ice King, thank you so much. You're welcome, Jake. At least, can you and Finn bail me out of my cell, please? Sorry, Ice King. We cannot bail you out because of your bad actions, so come on, Jake. Let's go home. Okay, Finn.